Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh kids. I hope you all are doing good. I, Harsharan Kaur, music teacher, welcome you all in our third video, Basics of Music Part 3. Today, in this video, you will be learning about Saptak. When the frequency of Sa is made double, we get the upper Sa or Tar Sa. The frequency space between these two is called the Saptak. In terms of swaras, the Saptak is represented by 12 notes as we have understood in previous video. But name Saptak is derived essentially from the word Saptak. It means 7, indicating main 7 swaras. Theoretically, the upper Sa is not the part of Saptak. It is said to be the start of the next Saptak. In English, Saptak is known as octave. 3 types of Saptaks are there in music: Mandra Saptak, Madhya Saptak, Tar Saptak. Madhya Saptak means middle octave. These swaras are used to be sung in normal voice. No sign will be used for writing these swaras. Mantra Saptak means lower octave, is half of the frequency of swaras of Madhya Saptak. Swaras of Mantra Saptak are represented by a dot below them. Tar Saptak means higher octave. The frequency of swaras is double than of the swaras of Madhya Saptak. The swar of Tar Saptak are represented by a dot above the swaras. Here is an audio example of Mantra Saptak, Madhya Saptak and Tar Saptak. Madhya Saptak, middle registered voice, means normal voice. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni. Mantra Saptak, chest registered voice. While singing notes of this Saptak, resonance of voice in chest area. Sa ni dha pa ni. Like this. Tar Saptak, cheek area of head, higher notes. Sa re ga ma pa. So on. Any set of 12 consecutive black and white keys represent a Saptak. If you take 4th black as Sa, then the next 4th black will be the upper Sa, which will be of double frequency of the original 4th black. Thus it makes the end of the octave and the beginning of the upper octave. Similarly, when you go 12 keys down from that octave, you will get a lower octave. Generally, female scale or pitch starts from 4th black or 5th black. For men, it is generally black 1 or black 2. So, in Indian classical music, any person can choose their scale according to the comfort level. This is all for today's lesson. I hope the concept of swaras and Saptak are clear to you. You can write these basics in your notebook for your long-term memory. Stay home, stay safe, and keep practicing. Thank you.